is wrong with them? So omo kosroba from kromo pomo kasem omo mbua kumasi jana ashin kumasi for ye ni yedin. We will bounce back. Omo niema na shinina, they will bounce back, and with the help of one or two people, you know, they will bounce back.
Auntie Ness, good afternoon. Auntie Ness. Miss Jenny.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. What you saying?
Boko now say.
Yes, I don't know. I don't want you, man.
Oh, they be any man come off here.
Oh, okay. Let me hear you. 5 minutes.
Okay. You can say, John Mahama, Sane, swear in our man, by sa president or Gambia or Zambia president. President now by now or swear Mahama in our by sa military president.
Burkina Faso.
Okay.
Mahama.
Yes.
Burkina Faso.
Oh yeah. Mahama is a threat to Ghana security. The presidency, no, a threat to Ghana security. Because all this one, just when in look at the number of dignitaries are all inviting you. What does it portray? Even Burkina Faso president now or inviting a crowd with a tuition and home as swearing in the crowd. What does side incidents they portray they? Me right from Obaye na wakwaha or China wakwaha to the last end say oka say foreign minister eba parliament beka say nearby countries like Niger, Benin, whatever they can trip in to Ghana. Whenever they want. Meanwhile, you know, say they are not part of the ECOWAS this family. They are not part of it. Until then, even Nigerians import. Yeah, brothers Nigerians cry no more chroma cran. We can't handle them. We can't handle them. How much more Benin, Niger, any more Maka?
I said it. When you come to Ho now, Uba Ho is here. Almost all the building construction sites. Togo 4, Burkina Faso 4 that are working there. Almost all of them. So you have Ghanaians who are working about unemployed. Togolese and co are working, they are getting the money, they are not paying any taxes, they are going through across the border to go and spend it in their country.
It's just
even Nigerians are now driving keke. Mama can do in Ho.
Oh, now they omo bini. Me last 2 years I had an encounter with my colleague Bakunya encounter with Nigerian lady be a wabewo. Enti na ye koma nebano BCG labor ward. And then was say ya discharging on uncle Fino onya nko yenti because ye de ne theater de nti de nkrofo free theater eba ward nti omo ya discharging me mamutna plastic chair mu na ye de omo free theater no abano ato bed so because say no ya catch and say ne time so ya discharging on nko no onya nko na ontna plastic chair so no na ne buefu nti ye ba say ye ba be money services no or the before then you see this the way this Nigerian lady at the my award honomo Emma my colleague in the car no ye crying nka wa bon award when I'm catching say no we should report the matter to the administration no one take it from there so lucky ye pf one ye she administrator and I ye catching that administrator ne walk ye straight to the ward and deal with that lady. So how can you come to our hospital when you're Ghana ni? How can you come to our hospital and misbehave? Teach us what we are supposed to do. Into this Nigerian people crying to me, Obama cost of living, our Ghana, I very high. O rented danya, a dime boy a day, all because of quad landlord and catch us a wound to me, a call Nigerians in the beje dino. Point to me handle womo. How much more say okujeto okojina parliament the kase nearby countries ni betimi aba emiwe adwuma Ghana ha kraye won crofo mu ye unemployed crofo mu ase kwan percentage is very high Nti omo do omo bra no omo bebubu ye more ma ye saa ho. Na ye de omo ye ema na mema no omo ye pedicure ne we ne de omo do omo nye nipa ho. Nti Mahama administration and the presidency they said threat to Ghana security. I'm telling you. Militants ya wako form no mo go forest ni mo no. What are the army, the armed forces, what are they doing about it? Nti ye soldiers for ni ye police for no. Those people can't they protect our forestry? Omo ntimi protect your forestry nana.
You need a willing leader to be able to work.
Militants have a gun.
The same leader who is sending the soldiers is the same leader who has brought the militant. So he will tell you, say, just go there, let press see you that you are entering the forest, but do not shoot anybody.
Look at this.
You see? So you go and enter the forest for the media to capture and say, oh, soldiers are working on Galamsey. But you are not allowed to shoot anybody. You are not allowed to arrest anybody. You are told, don't burn an excavator.
So what if some militants, no, so vice versa, omu attack military force and the military
you see, they also know that they are all coming from the same leader. So they also know that soldiers who come in, they are not coming to arrest you. They are just coming for cameras to see they have come in. So when they are coming in, pretend that you are running away. It is a whole cabal that is working.
Oh, into Ghana pa baby aye drew ni. Baby aye drew penny. Ghana ye hype ye boost ye won't say trend even Nigerians or mobile chroma crack cancer Ghana ye security ni ye very high. Na country ni mo ye peaceful. You can walk at any time in a day. Ewo country ni mo. Inti baby a Ghana ye drew ni. Jo Mahama NDC for ye pamuchow. Ye ma suswa ye ma memo ye nuanom ye pamuchow. She Boko Haram she kwan omo faso Nigeria. Omo timi bora sorry demo ye called cheap priest na ye kuno ye bora market. What? Ghana ni ye say ye population ye say. Amode ye security to basa sa. Galamsey, oya na wonti wo ma say musore na obi I came across one comment they say NDC ba aban mu dabe say oba enekra or the campaign one of their ministers I think Sam George Eka say Nanado could have taken a week or two obetumi taking a week or two and they are stopping Galamsey. Now, if the mandate is given to NDC, they will take at least a week or two to solve this Galamsey, to put a stop to Galamsey activities, you know. Yamamo, Mubatina, so most in how many months in ye? And Nashahawa, Galamsey air course. How many months in ye? Namu back comment session number case NDC baso, Omedi say, Omo baso say, Omo 3 months no Omedi no, Yentua Omoka. Are they not going to take salary from the 3 months now Omedi no abaimono? They should give us a break. Mama beki kasan kwasi asem be mo nchire ye. Na Ghana hasen Ghana nye NDC for there. And then back to Kumasi PZ wonum. Hwe Monday yeda first of all yeda Dr Bawumia say wako support ye ma memo wonum. In fact, ni bresempa, I'm telling you, ni bresempa na na ye kan mo ma ye nka dum so ye kan mo ma ye nka o president wako gina wo say ye gas what is wrong with them? So omo kosroba from kromo po omo kasem omo mboa Kumasi dwana ahye no Kumasi for ye ni yedin we will bounce back omo niema na ahye nyina they will bounce back and with the help of 1 or 2 people they will bounce back. It's say NDC for ye say mam president ko boa wo mu no mo oboa wo mu kra na Kumasi for they won't appreciate. They should mind them. They should take it say a voter region same see wo honanka nana do ko boa wo ma enka the same to omo beje so draw about omo ntoma no nto omo hu sesa na tie omo pa so the omo dey kaka so omo dey go to cry crime ma ye ninje no yes we have been born like that oh yeah, yeah, then cry from NDC, you know, yeah, we won't, and yeah, yeah, fancy, they should forget about it. If they want to help, fine. If they don't want to help, and yeah, same, and then the help, you know, it's not coming from Mohammed's pocket, oh. They should mind and they should have it in their mind. They say the help that the president is going to give, no, it's not coming from his pocket. And natural resources in the sector, no, and all they be, and then the natural resources coming from Ashanti region, no, none of the regions, you know, and none of them are bringing that source of natural resources. Into omunja ye kra. So almost said Dr. Bawumia kwe, almost said the way I almost welcome. No matter what, it's not like the NDC won the election in Ashanti regional. The thing is, the Kumasi people didn't go out to vote. That is it. Into more months na social media and can say, cry a dinkuni, a whole Ashanti region. We have been able to cover all of Ashanti region. It's never true. They didn't go out. Me, I went there to vote. They didn't go out to vote. They were in their houses. They didn't go out to vote. Into a moment, they should give us a break.
Thank you so much, Auntie Ness. All right. Mommy, do you have any final words for this afternoon? When I go to aspiring, if I go to Dashell.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. You said you were good. Somebody said to talk to us about Dr. Bawumia's his
Okay.
what he had for
Policy on the mining.
maybe I think his policy. I think when you are usually when you're closing, you do a short this thing on it.
Yeah.
I would just like to thank Dr. Bawumia too for what he has done. We're still behind him and we're proud of him and your bomb say Obekoswaye. When a voice who say somebody I don't know. Sa asem ya ye kan ya illegal miners ya akwakofa nkrofo mu aba begu oman no ma compromise no. How when does it get to the part link it to this kidnappings in SAD? Because it says nyoma saa no bi na started in Nigeria ekofa kidnapping is a bit me link it I bet get it to
Of course. There was a time Nigerians were doing even that in Ghana here. You see, let's take for instance what Donald Trump is doing in the US. When they've been able to, it is not entirely proven, but find out that some murders were being committed, and when you trace and investigate, they are being committed by foreigners, some of whom have bad criminal history, even in their country of origin. As I told you earlier on, Nigeria Nipa Ghana, Obeya Adiebia, he doesn't think twice because maybe the wife is not here, the children are not here, he doesn't have an auntie, an uncle here, a grandfather or a grandmother here that he knows is going to affect.
Yeah.
And if a Nigerian man just using that